What's up guys, Matt here. Welcome to my unboxing of my Apple Watch Series 3. I'm very thankful for my wife, Sandy. She was gracious enough to buy this for me for Christmas. The reason the quotations is because Christmas is, we're not even into December yet, and we got our gifts a little early. She also got me these AirPods that you saw in the AirPods unboxing maybe a month or two or so ago. My birthday, so 2 months ago. 1 month ago. Either way, she's great. So we're here today, unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. I'm very excited about this. I had no idea I was getting this. But yes, we're going to go ahead and crack into it. I've got my trusty purple scissors. Let's go right here. I should have. Right there. Perfect. Wow. Oh, there's a tab. Oh, yes. Keep that in my pocket so Penny doesn't get that. So there's a tab back here. Oh. I can already tell you it's coming out right here. Oh, yes. That is great. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, there it is. I'm just going to put that off to the side. We're going to look through here. Apple Watch instructions, as you maybe don't know, but you do know, who knows. This is about your Apple Watch. I've got a dog beside me. She's cute. So yeah, Apple Watch. I set that over here. Next in the box, more regulatory information. Not that important. Next in the box, ooh, we got, what is? Wow. It's the charger. Wow. Oh, wow. That was cool. Do you see that? You pushed your little button right there. Wow. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. I was wondering where that was, because it seemed like a small box. Basic charger here, same one you get for your normal Apple Watch. This one actually is shorter than my original Apple Watch. The original Apple Watch came with about a 6 foot long cable. That's a 3 foot for sure. There's the smaller band there. Wow, this is nice packaging. Okay, that's everything in there. I'm going to put everything back in here because star of the show is right there. And here we are. Here is the Apple Watch Series 3. Wow. Wow. This is really good looking. I really wanted the space gray. I've been asking for the space gray for some time now. Okay, let's just be quiet. This is very nice. When I initially got my Apple Watch, which I have the Series 0 right here, they asked me if I wanted the black or the silver, and I hadn't thought about it, but I should have gotten the black. But now I've got the black, so I'm going to go ahead, turn it on. It's turning on. I'm going to let that turn on, and then we will jump right back in once it's up and running. Okay, we are on. I need to get on my iPhone here. Oh, would you like to set up an Apple Watch? Yes, please. Wow. Let's set up as a new Apple Watch. I was thinking about this. I'm going to set it up as a new one. Aluminum case, 42 millimeter. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. This is so cool. Now I've got a black iPhone and a black watch. Crazy. Awesome. Beautiful. We're going to agree to the blah blah blahs. We don't really care about the terms and conditions. Signing into my account. This may take a few more minutes. Okay, now we are on to the shared settings. Of course I'm going to let it do all that. Yeah, let's add a passcode. I'm not going to let you see this. I'm going to re-enter my password, and I'm not going to let you see it. Okay, we're going to hit continue. Yes, we're going to add Apple Pay. Don't look at that. We're going to agree to that. You just saw that, so I'm not going to let you see what's over here. I'm going to let you see what's over there, because it says my card information on there. Yep, we're going to continue. We are going to choose later what to install. My Apple Watch is syncing. I'll get an alert when it's done syncing. I'm going to go ahead and take off my original Apple Watch. Right now I've got a Groupon watch band on there, because Groupon is a great place to get Apple Watch bands, if you were wondering. They're pretty great. I've got a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot of Apple Watch bands. I've got probably 9 or 10. I don't know. I don't think I've counted recently, but I think 10 might be the number. But yes, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off while that's setting up. Watch basics. I know all about the watch, so I'm not going to go through that. So this looks a little thinner. It's got more, see the 2 dots there on this one versus that one. Better microphones. We're nearly there. Let's go ahead and just look at some basics here. Display. Digital crown. Side button. Dock. Apple Pay. Oh, we did all the basics. Wow. That's thin. Let me go ahead and try it on while it's just getting ready. Because why not? Oh, wow. Well, that feels great. That looks great. I'm all about it. Oh, we are almost done finishing up. I've got a lot of black bands that I can use as well, which add to this, which, man, this looks great. Oh, your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Oh, what is that? Oh, yes. I work at noon tomorrow. Welcome to your Apple Watch. Welcome to the Apple Watch app. My watch, Face Gallery App Store, absolutely. Oh, we've got some new watch faces here. Oh, I forgot. This is on watchOS 5. Wow. Okay. Well, look at all those apps to install. Well, here we are, guys. Yeah. So it's 9:23 right now. I'm going to go ahead and start playing with my Apple Watch. Thanks. So I'm going to go ahead and start playing with my Apple Watch. Hopefully. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Start playing my Apple Watch off. That was, hey Siri. I said the magic word. Either way, I'm going to go start playing with my Apple Watch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This is just going to be my unboxing and first impressions. It's awesome. It looks great. I really like how it looks. But you're going to get a first impressions video soon. But yes, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this little piece of junk. May sell it. We'll see. Thanks for watching.